We meet Mondays and Thursdays.
Violet Miller, we meet Mondays and Thursdays if you're interested.
Weaknesses in their ranks.
Steve, we've identified weaknesses in their ranks. We are hoping one of them will break.
You work at the laundry.
Benedict, you work at the laundry. Maud Watts, part-time from when I was 7, full-time from when I was 12.
Punish those responsible.
Benedict, punish those responsible, whatever way you can.
Deeds, not words.
Maud Watts, you a suffragette, Mrs. Ellyn, Edith Ellyn, I consider myself more of a soldier. As Miss Pankhurst says, it's deeds, not words, that will get us the vote.
All my life I've done what men told me.
Maud Watts, all my life I've done what men told me. Well, I can't have that anymore.
Never surrender.
Emmeline Pankhurst, never surrender. Never give up the fight.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.